He is seeing rain for the very first time. But the question is, when was the last time you did it? For him, every drop is magic. Every sound is a surprise. Every moment is worth watching. Looking at him today, I realized that somewhere between childhood and adulthood, we stop looking at life with wonder. We become so busy chasing tomorrow that we forget to enjoy today. I realized that we don't need a new world to feel happy. Sometimes we just need a child's eyes to see that same world differently. So learn from this tiny creature to stay in present, because life's most beautiful moments are often the simplest ones.